My next problem is how to mount the radiator to where it fits underneath this plane right here, from here to here, which is where the windscreen, that's what they call it, fits. But I also have to make it where I can get at this mounting, or to fill it up. And also this, it's not an overflow. Yeah, it is overflow. I guess you'd say it's overflow. But it served me pretty well, and I'm gonna go back to the established things that I know. I think that one day I'll be able to make the Ruckus radiators work, but I'm not going to spend the next 6 weeks trying to figure out if it will or won't work, and summer's here. It's nice out in Washington State where I live. It's about, I don't know where everyone else lives in the world, and we don't do anything in centigrade. It's about 70 degrees, so that's good. And of course, they got to have these damn jets fly by, because these rich fuckers can't drive a car. They got to have a nice jet. See, assholes. Fuckers. They get involved in my videos. So that's where I'm at so far. I'm gonna find a way to mount this. Hopefully make videos of it. I would like to just scrap this video right now and get and build a damn bike. But I said that I was going to take a video of all aspects of what I'm doing. And 5 years from now, 10 years from now, maybe, a new generation of young people can look at this and go, oh, that's a good idea for this old, what are you doing? Get out of there. Anyway, I continue. Project DIO.